Firstly, I'm really sorry about the very bad camera angle. I've done what I can with the editing. And then secondly, into the video, it's this minivan thingamajiggy, which really annoys me. It's a pet peeve when I overtake someone and they speed up for no reason and just block the overtake. No idea why.
Don't do this. Why? Yeah, exactly. You're just embarrassing both of us.
You've got traffic behind you coming up as well.
I mean, why? Why? Just give up.
Nope, I'm gonna go even faster.
Why? No, we're just sitting in that fourth lane now.
Right on into
I
the
caught them up on the inside, and as soon as I got close, they were just like, nope. Electric GK or something? Oh no, it's going to St. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. You got the window open. Come on. What's that all about? Tailgating me, and then I indicate to move over, and then they bloody move over. So I was beeping and say, what the fuck are you doing? Tailgating me and then doing that shit. You lot. Oh, you're kidding.
So in this clip, I'm going to use all the road space to get ahead, but this silver Merc, why change lanes when the car's already moving off in an attempt to get one ahead, and the other Merc was not having any of it by the looks of it.
You know, position to go the right as well.
Soft up behind as well. A lot of those there. And they're easier to spot.
Oh, really?
Yeah, of course, mate.
All the way round.
Away.
All the way around.
All
Where
the way
the
round
fuck?
now.
So we're on the A12 going from 3 lanes down to 2, and I looked to overtake this car on the left. I know, a little bit stupid, but I was going quicker at the time, they then match the speed. This car then moves third to second lane, but the car behind looks to close the gap, and it's like, well, why? And then the BMW pulls in front of this car in the second lane now, and causing them both to really slow down. Everyone really slows down. So I changed lane back into the first lane. And look, it's empty. It's virtually empty. Why is everyone trying to get in that second lane? Still on the A12, we're now going to be joining the M25 and that lovely junction. So what we have is this lovely car behind. They are going to want the same exit. They want the M25 exit. So obviously they're in lane 2. because that's the way they do things. Here they come, they're going down there, and then on top of that, this car behind, they also want the same exit, but they exit from lane 2 here, but this Volkswagen in particular stops me from being in the lane that I want. I want that second lane. I have just been pushed out of that second lane by someone who had to join at the last minute. Luckily, both lanes go the same way. I guess, M25 south, M25 south. So it wouldn't have been too much of a problem. But it's just that last minute exit, which is so annoying. So we're now at the lights. This lane goes to the M25 south. The 2 lanes on the right, M25 north. Simple enough, except for this silver car. They need this lane for the M25 north. Why?
Oh my god. Oh
Oh
my
my
god.
god.
Last night. Who is he? I'm gonna play him in a bit. He's full fibers here. In broadband
Oh my god, why would you
and whenever you think
pull out like that?
time to buy a Zillion and dip that shop. Because this broadband connects 100 devices in your home. This is broadband that can handle anything. This is EE full fiber powered by me.
Taxi as well. Bloody hell, how did you get there?
So this is a rear view camera of that going past that crash. Watch this silver car in the second lane. They move to the third lane, but they try and move back. I mean, what is that? Why? No reason for that at all. And then all of them are now trying to undertake and they get in each other's way and all that. I don't even know. It was just a right mess and they almost caused another crash. This is a 50-mile-an-hour area. It's down the A13. None of these people are going 50 miles an hour. I know it says 47 on there. That's real speed rather than the dash speed. Maybe the van might be going 50, but the other ones, no chance. Absolutely no chance.
Ready to sell.
Very ready.
Thousands of car dealers are waiting to bid. £12,000. £12,200.
An idiot.
£500.
Jesus Christ, man.